Yo, what's up, YouTube? This is your boy, Take You Wild Guy here. We chilling outside right now. This is such a beautiful day, and this is just going to be like a little minor update with Project Fi and my Nexus 6, of course. It's been 2 months since I've been on the Project Fi network and Google's wireless service, which switches between Wi-Fi and two major carriers, T-Mobile and Sprint. Now I've been perfect. It's been perfect with me. It's been fine. It's been switching. I've been saying it simultaneously switch from T-Mobile to Sprint once the signal gets weaker between either other carriers. And if I'm around Wi-Fi, if it's open Wi-Fi, it'll automatically connect, which is very good. And I mean, to me, I haven't had any real issues. Like sometimes I would lose signal and I'd be freaking out like, oh dang, I must be on some horrible signal right now, or some horrible network. So like with the 5-spot application, and I'll show you guys this, with the 5-spot application, I can either switch between T-Mobile and Sprint or tell it to automatically switch between T-Mobile and Sprint with a dialing code. So that helps. If you guys are on Project Fi and haven't had the 5-spot application, I would definitely recommend checking into the Fi community, Project Fi community, and Fi community, and talking to the developer with the 5-spot and give him the link so he can give you the link to download it. But other than that, and there's other applications that you can use, like Phonos, Open Signal, which I'll probably do some reviews about those applications too, that will like show you everything that's going on with your network. It will give you data speeds, Wi-Fi speeds. It will give you maps of open Wi-Fi networks. Also, this application called Wi-Man I use to download maps of cities and locations that I'm at, and that way I can keep a map of where all the Wi-Fi spots are open at. So whenever I'm in the area, I can just like, oh, okay, well, I remember so-and-so restaurant has Wi-Fi, let me go in there. Or I remember this department store has Wi-Fi, let me go in there. So, I mean, with Project Fi and Google new wireless service, it's a lot of more people been signing up, and a lot more people been getting invites and getting the SIM cards. And another thing to mention, the Nexus 5X and the Nexus 6P are also with the Project Fi. So if you don't have a Nexus device, I definitely recommend you trying out those new phones, or even the Nexus 6. It's still like I think eBay's selling one for $269 right now, refurbished and used, of course, and then you get a brand new one for $300. But there's no other options out there that beats the Project Fi network. I think Apple's trying to come out with a new service probably sometime in 2016, 2017. Who knows what Apple's trying to do? I think they're really seeing what Google is doing and is actually winning. So yeah, I definitely recommend trying out Google's wireless service if you haven't. 2 months in the game, I'm averaging about $30 per month, even on 2 gigs, because I'm not even using the gigs. Right now I'm on Wi-Fi at the crib, so I'm not even using up the gigs as much. I just started over my new plan, my new monthly plan cycle. So right now I'm looking at $35, but I mean it's too many competitors out there, and with Google Fi you really can't beat that, because you're getting all of networks from T-Mobile like Net 10, Metro PCS. Depending on your location, you might see those pop up if you're using the right applications, which I mentioned. And with Sprint, you got Virgin Mobile, you got Freedom Pop, you got all these other networks underneath the major ones. So it's wide open, guys. It's wide open. And like I said, if you're looking for a new wireless service, and this is not even prepaid, it's basically you have to pay in advance, and whatever you don't use, they credit you back. So if you don't use up the 3 gigs, 4 gigs that you have on your phone plan, they will credit you back the money that you didn't use on those gigs. And of course, you got unlimited talk and text for $20 a month. I'm not saying that's really a competitive, because Freedom Pop and text now I think has one for like $10 a month, but like the data is more important than anything right now. So if you're looking for a new service provider for cellular, I definitely would recommend taking a look into Google Fi, Project Fi, and a Nexus device. All right, it's your boy, Take You All Guy with 2 months later review. it's working fine for me. Like I said, like I had little issues, but notice I had the applications, the right applications, I'll be able to switch and pick the right networks I want to pick. And that's what's the game changer. You could pick a network. You don't have to stay with T-Mobile or stay with Sprint or Verizon or AT&T. You pick the network you want to choose. And if it's weak in your area, you just switch or use Wi-Fi. So there you guys have it. It's your boy, I Take You Out guy with another video. I'll let your boy. Peace.